Good evening, children. Welcome to Navama Sreni live quiz re samastanku welcome. Ajira topic hochi adverbs and adverbials. Adverbials ame next class re sikhiba. A class re we will go through adverbs. Adverbs samaste छुआ मैंने already तमने जानिच. ame खाली टिके types of adverbs देखिबा. तीनिटा types of adverbs को आजिरा class रे cover करिबा. So that baki jako ame next class re dekhiba. All right. So before we start the session, छुआ मैंने please join Aveti class ro WhatsApp group. जोटार की daily session updates पाइबो, interactions पाइबो, regular discussions पाइबो. So please join that. And amaro Aveti ro WhatsApp number होची 789-404-0614. 789-404-0614. Okay. Also, Aveti spoken English class re please samaste join karo. It is free. Aveti coding class be free. So please join children and samaste opportunity ta ko avail karo. Tamo sango bhai bhoni samastanku janao. Okay. So ajiro session chumane before we start. Ketira jinso let us see already adverbs bisare ame kono we know. So for example, he behaved foolishly. I visited Konark last year. E sabure foolishly last year. Euda sabu hochi adverbs. So e bisare ame already janiche. So next let's go to type of adverbs. Before that, ame generally adverbs ko we do not use adverb before when if it starts with a linking verb. So the linking verb sange thae, it has a linking verb, then it has to be an adjective and not an adverb. Okay. For example, he felt happily. Eta bhul. He felt happy kaiva. Because ethi we are using with a verbs which with the words become, feel, get, look, appear, seem. A jodi words asuchi tapore we have to normally use an adjective rather than adverb. Okay. So if the sentence has a linking verb, the answer to the question will be an adjective and not an adverb. So linking verb bhi jetebale thae, is, was, kichi bhi linking verb, ta sangare pray tome adjective asibo and it will not be an adverb. Okay. So what are the types of adverbs? Let us see. The types of adverbs are adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree. Also, there are other adverbs of affirmation, negation, adverbs of reason. Emti bahut achi. Ajira my class re chomane we will try to look into adverbs of manner, adverbs of time and adverbs of frequency. Okay. Most adverbs of manner are made by adding ly to the adjective. For example, iti dekhi parthuba, he is a quiet worker. Taro adverb ta kim thabo? He works quietly. So adjective hochi quiet. Seta tome adverb re jetebale convert karibo, all you have to do kon karibo kebolo ly ta ku jodi dabo adjective sange. For example, he is slow. Say slow ta hochi adjective. So what will happen to the adverb? You say he works slowly or he walks slowly. Slow ta jo adjective bhabare use hue, seta ko adverb re karla balaku you just have to add ly. These are few tips. So also children, there is another very important thing. Adjective or adverb. Pinto is a friendly boy. Pinto behaves in a friendly manner. So tamane kono, there are some adjectives which end with ly. For example, Pinto is a friendly boy. Etar a friendly is an adjective. Okay. Taro adverb ta kimdi habo? Pinto behaves in a friendly manner. Tamane kon hochi? Some adjectives which end in ly such as friendly, silly, sickly, lovely, lively, fatherly, motherly. Euda sobure kon habo? We do not add another ly. Already adjective ta jodi ly re achi, taku adverb karla buluku, all you have to do is in logebo sentence re a लगेबो से adjective टाको as it is लगेबो plus you can use the word manner or fashion or way. For example, she is very silly. एटारे adjective होची silly. So तमे एटा को adverb करला को कोन कहिबो? She behaves sillily एमती कहि परिबोनी. ता माने silly जो adjective टा ly रे end करूची ताको adverb रे पुणी आ गोटे ly add हबनी. सेटारे केमिति adverb form हबो? In a plus adjective plus you have to use the word manner or fashion or slash way. So इटी हमें देखिले how to change जेतेबेले adjective already ly संगरे अछि. When we change it to adverb, you just have to add a plus the adjective as such plus you have to add manner slash way. Okay. Now, next one. Now let us go to adverb of manner. An adverb of manner tells us how or the manner in which an action is taking place. Okay. So we can usually find out these adverbs by asking the question how. Okay. So तमे जदि how गोटे question पचारिबो sentence को with the verb तमे तार adverb of manner पाइबो. Okay. Most adverb of manners they end in ly. सेटा हमें already देखिचे that adverbs of manner mostly end in ly. For example, we walked slowly. They could easily find out the house. तमे question पचारिबो how we walked? We walked slowly. So this shows the manner in which you are walking. माने तमे को प्रकारे चालुचो? तमे slowly, तमे धीरे धीरे चालुचो. And तमे notice करे छुआ माने the adverb is ending with ly. So प्राय adverb of manner they end with ly and they answer your question how. तमे जदि how question पचारिबो they could easily find out the house. How they could find out the house? They could easily. बहुत आराम रे से माने पाइले घरटाकू बहुत सुविधा रे पाइले. They ran fast to catch the train. एठी तमे देखि परिबो there is no ly but your answer is how did they catch the train? How did they ran? They ran fast. How did they ran? How did they run to catch the train? They ran fast. So तमरो शीघ्र तमे दौड़ी की गाड़ीटा धरिल. So तमरो manner देखा जाउची केमिति तमे से action टाकू को भाबरे करलो. So these are all adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner usually come at the end of the sentence. For example, we walked slowly. It at the end of the sentence re tum adverb ta paucho slowly. Sometimes they come in the middle of the sentence also. For example, they ran fast to catch the train. How did they run? They ran fast. So it answers the question how, and the adverb of manner comes in the end or in the middle of the sentence. Now, what is adverb of time? Adverb of time is which answers your question when. Adverb of time answers the question when. Tamane at what time. For example, we go to school when? We go to school at 10 o'clock. Pappu was ill yesterday. Pappu was ill when? He was ill yesterday. Tamane tamara answer karibo se when ro question ta. Tame jodi verb sangare when ku pacharibo, the train will arrive when? The train will arrive soon. So here your adverb of time is soon. So adverb of time always answers the question when or at what time. He has just gone out. He went out when? He went out when? Did the question pacharibo? He has just gone out. Just ebe gola. Ebe gola. Just gola. So these are all adverbs of time. Okay children. So we have seen adverb of manner. जोटा कि तमरो action टा को denote करे कि को भाबरे तमरो action टा हेची. Adverb of time denote करे at what time. When the action took place. केते बळे से action टा हैला. All right. So adverbs of time usually go at the end of the sentence. They can go at the beginning also, or sometimes they can be in the middle. For example, adverbs of time like just, already, yet, soon, go, euda sabu hue. Sorry, adverbs of time like just, already, yet, soon, they all go in the middle or in the end position of the sentence. Okay. For example, I third sentence dekhile, he has just gone out. So this just comes in the middle of the sentence, but it is an adverb of time. But usually they come at the end of the sentence. Okay. So let us come to our quiz, children. Ame first, ame a data adverb of manner, or adverb of time bisare a quiz ago first kariba, first few questions. Okay. So this first question is on adverb of manner. Okay. So please type in the right answer, adverb of manner. And the options are A, B, and C. And your countdown begins now. The question is Govind reads. All right, the countdown is over. Let me see. Jo mane right answer decha. The right answer is clearly. Clearly, because we are talking about adverb of manner. How does he read? Tamar answer kaun kariba? Tamar adverb of manner answers the question how. How Govind reads? Govind reads clearly. Okay. So that adverb of manner haba clearly. So the right answer is option C. Okay, children. So next question. The 6 fought dash. ATB adverb of manner use karo. There are 3 options. Bravely, many times, at that place. And your countdown begins now, children. Please type in 2 and your answer, children, so that mu jani bhi je. Smaranika has already given the answer. Let me show you the right answer, children. The right answer is option A. I can see many children who have written A. Vidulata, Niranjan, then Surya Mishra, Ruchika, Rudra, Smaranika, Akanksha, Udaya. Very well done, children. The 6 fought bravely, because we are talking about the adverbs of manner. How did the 6 fight? The 6 fought bravely. Next question. The boy works dash. This is again adverb of manner. The boy works dash, adverb of manner. 3 options given to you and your countdown begins now. Very well done, children. So let me show you the right answer. The right answer is the boy works hard, because we are talking about adverbs of manner. This shows how the boy works. The boy works hard. Next question. He comes here dash. He comes here dash. The options are twice, daily, happily. Okay, so please type in the right answer. I want an adverb of time here. I want an adverb of time. Please remember, adverb of time will answer your question when. Okay, or at what time. Any question which answers when or at what time, that is your adverb of time. So please fill in with the right adverb of time. Your countdown begins now. All right, so let me show you the right answer. The right answer is he comes here daily. Chuamani, you might get confused that he comes here twice, also he pareveli. But the reason he comes here daily, because twice is adverb of frequency. It is not adverb of time. Adverb of frequency will answer how often. Mane kette thara. Okay, setabule tame lekhibo twice. But he comes here daily. So when does he come? He comes here daily. Okay, so this denotes the time. Hence, 80 adverb of time is he comes here daily. Okay, and it is not twice, because twice is adverb of frequency. Okay, so hence the right answer is, children, B. I'm not seeing the fourth question to answer yet. No problem. Very well done, Anilisha. You have typed in B. Very well done. I can see Bishwaranjan B. Madhusmita B. Sushant Singh B. Rudra Jain. Bidulata B. Very well done. Very well done. Bhajaman Sahu also B. Smaranika has typed in B. Anchal Paramguru. Pooja Mahanti. Very well done, children. So let's go to the next question. That day he arrived dash. That day he arrived dash. Adverb of time. At the airport, home, late. There are three options. Please put in your right answer. Your countdown begins now. That day he arrived late. Adverb of time I want. Adverb of time. I can see everybody has typed in the right answer for the fourth question. Chinmay, Satyaranjan, very well done. Surya, Pinky, Srijita, Chinmay Kumar, very well done, children. So the answer for the fifth question, let me show you the right answer. The right answer is option C. That day he arrived late. That day he arrived late. So the option is C. So when did he arrive? He arrived late. Every time, remember, children, adverb of time has to answer your question when. So that is very important. Okay. So now let's take a break. Aveti Learning app, Chhuamane, please download karo from Play Store. Ask your friends also to download, and please avail this opportunity. Our Navama Sreni ro jetiki tamanଙ୍କର courses hochi, please enroll karo. Bhugol re, Arthaniti, Rajaniti, Bhautika Vigyan, Jamiti, Jiva Vigyan, Itihas, Bija Ganita. So please join, children, and please avail this opportunity. Now, last time we dekhiba je adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency says how often a thing happens. Mane kette frequently, mane kette thora gote jinsa hei pare. They answered the question how often. They answered the question how often. So what are the examples? Jemiti always, often, usually, normally, generally, sometimes, occasionally, ever, never. E sobu ase adverb of frequency re. How often? That is what is important is it answers your question how often. Okay. I sometimes prefer tea. It has examples Chhuamane. I sometimes prefer tea. Sometimes. This is your adverb of frequency. Mummy is always late for school. How often? She's always. Mane praya. Jota praya ame koche, it adverb of frequency. Okay. Similarly, have you ever been to Kapilas? Have you ever been? Tame kebe jaicho ki? Okay. Adverb of frequency. Kichi thara visit karicho ki? Okay. Adverb of frequency can go in all the three positions. In questions, however, they go after the subject. Mane, adverb of frequency can come in the beginning, in the middle, or in the last of the sentence. But in a question, they always come after the subject. Do you sometimes see him? Your subject is you and your adverb of frequency is sometimes. So, adverb of frequency in a question always comes after the subject. All right, children. Now, ଏବେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରିବା? We will do some quiz on adverb of frequency. Also, we will try to see the difference between adverb of frequency and adverb of time. Okay. Itari, this one please answer. I have told you dash. Okay, here please fill in with adverb of frequency. I have told you dash. So here fill in with adverb of frequency. There are 3 options given. So our countdown begins now. All right. So let me show you the right answer, children. The right answer will be I have told you often. Kahingina, I have told you yesterday habani. I have told you now habani. Because we are talking about adverb of frequency. Yesterday jodi lage dabo, it will become adverb of time. Kimba now jodi lage dalo, it will become adverb of time. But adverb of frequency re, it has to be often. Okay. So adverb of time, our adverb of frequency ro difference hoji. Gote question jodi when answer kala, that becomes adverb of time. And jo question ta how often, mane kette thora repeat hoji, seita ko jodi answer koruchi, that becomes adverb of frequency. So in this question the right answer is, children, option B. Now the postman called dash. Please fill in with the right adverb of frequency. Your countdown begins now, children. All right. So what is the right answer? The right answer is option B, children. The postman called occasionally. Mane kebe kebe postman mate call kare. You cannot use the word today or yesterday because seta becomes adverb of time. If it is adverb of frequency, we have to use the word occasionally. So the right option is option B. All right. So the next question. I have told you dash. I have told you dash. Please fill in with the right adverb of frequency. I have told you dash. Please fill in with the right adverb of frequency. Your countdown begins now. All right. So, etere chua mane kon abo adverb of frequency. Let us see the answer. The answer is option C. I have told you twice. Because twice denotes how often you have told. Mane kette thara. Mui dithara khande tamaku koi sarchi. So, that is your frequency. Whereas, I have told you today or I have told you formally will answer your question when. So, those two become adverb of time. Now, let's go to the last question in this session, children. I haven't seen him dash. Please fill in with the adverb of time. I haven't seen him dash. Please fill in with the adverb of time. And your countdown begins now. All right, let's see the right answer, children. The right answer is, the right answer for adverb of time will be option B, not option C. I haven't seen him today because we are talking about adverb of time. If it had been adverb of frequency, then option C would be correct. I haven't seen him once is applicable for adverb of frequency, whereas for adverb of time, option is B. So all those who have typed in B, I've done really well. Surya Mishra, I can see Bidulata, I can see Satya Ranjan, Vishwa Ranjan Pradhan, Anilisha, Chinmay, Balaram. Very well done, Chinmay Kumar. Very well done, children. Pinky Maji, because here we are talking about adverb of time. Itamu by mistake bhool re tick marichi. If it is adverb of frequency, then option C would have been correct. So we are talking about adverb of time, hence option B is correct. So we come to the end of a session, children. Ajiro session sarla. Next class re puni au jo chari prakar adverbs achi chari pancha prakar, we'll finish that and then we will learn about adverbials.